Hello and welcome back to Boa's Bikers channel. For those who were here before, one of the previous videos I've mentioned I was giving my Mina, that's my BMW R1200 GS, an update, and I switched the main headlights from the halogen to the LEDs. Well, today I'm going to do some other stuff, and it is mostly decals. So I'm going to give it a tank sticker, and I'm going to put stickers on my panniers. So let's get started. First of all, the things that we're going to need: the hairdryer to remove the old stickers, and then of course something to degrease, and the stickers itself. The tank stickers here, and in there are the stickers for the panniers. So first of all, let's start with removing this old sticker from the tank cap using the blow dryer, the hair dryer, heat it up, and then try to remove the old sticker. It's a very old sticker. The bike is from 2005, but you see, it comes off easily. You see there is a lot of residue from the sticker. How to remove that? Well, WD-40, that's the trick. Just put some WD-40 on, let it rest for a while, and if it's very sticky, just use an old credit card or another plastic card and just scrape off the residue. See? A bit more WD-40. And of course, don't forget to degrease again, because the WD-40 is grease. That should hopefully do it. Now let's take the decal, the sticker, and open it up. There it is. Now let's see. Let's start with the center. The inner ring. And now the outer ring. Make sure you align the holes for the bolts. See? And there you go. A carbon look black sticker for the tank cap. Done. If you know a better way to remove old stickers and degrease the surface to put new stickers, please let me know in the comments down below. So now let's move on to the panniers, or actually it's the Vario cases of BMW. Again, the same. First, let's remove the old stickers and then try and put on the new ones. Blow dryer, the hair dryer, the WD-40 to remove the sticky parts, and then degrease it. Let's go. That's one done. Up to the next letter. That's two. The last letter. Like I said before, if you know a better way to remove those stickers, please comment down below and let me know. Thank you. That's the last one done. Now, this sticker, and then we're finished. See how it's working? I think I've been working at it for about half an hour now, and I think I've got it all the sticky stuff. You can see some discoloration of the letters still, but that's because of all the years of sunlight, but all the sticky stuff is gone. So now let's degrease our hands and the surface, and then try and fix the new decals. So I have degreased my hands. Now let's start with degreasing the surface. So I hope that's enough. Now let's get the stickers. Now let's see what the stickers are. So that's it. That's what we have to put on. Let's go. I think I'll start with the center. I'm going to try the top part. bottom part. The center. There. And now the sides. So the sides aren't perfect, but the result is okay. Now the other side, and we'll see. So it took me about 2 hours to complete everything. So the tank cap and the two cases. So let's take a look. First of all, that's the new tank cap. And then the right case, and then at the other side the left case. Looks good, I'd say. So what do you think about my latest updates? Give your comments down below. So if you like this and want to see other things done to my Mina, then subscribe and hit the bell so you keep up to date. See you next time.